안녕하세요 여러분. Hi guys. Welcome to my channel Learn Korean with Clara 쌤. 한국어 같이 배워요. Today, lesson 8. We are going to learn how to introduce yourself in Korean. After that, you will be able to talk about the basic self-introduction, your name, your nationality, and your occupation. If you are ready, let's get started. How can you say my name is Mina Kim in Korean? There are two ways to do it. First, you say 저는 김미나예요. In Korea, we first put the last name and then the first name. This is why in this sentence we say 김미나 instead of saying Mina Kim as in some other countries. Repeat after me. 저는 김미나예요. 저는 김미나예요. And you can say also 제 이름은 김미나예요. If I translate literally, my name is Mina Kim. To learn more about the grammar of these sentences, you can watch the video number 11 that talks about this topic. Repeat after me. 제 이름은 김미나예요. 제 이름은 김미나예요. Both expressions are correct, so you can use one of the two to introduce yourself. When you introduce yourself, you can replace 김미나 with your name. The corresponding Korean question will be 이름이 뭐예요? What's your name? To talk about your occupation or your profession, what should you say? For example, you mean you are a teacher. In Korean, we say 저는 선생님이에요. 선생님 means teacher. Repeat after me. 저는 선생님이에요. 저는 선생님이에요. Or you can also say 제 직업은 선생님이에요. If I translate literally, my profession is teacher. Repeat after me. 제 직업은 선생님이에요. 제 직업은 선생님이에요. As in the previous example, for this one, you can also replace 선생님 with your own occupation or profession. The corresponding question in Korean is 직업이 뭐예요? What is your profession? Repeat after me. 직업이 뭐예요? 직업이 뭐예요? Or you can also say 무슨 일 하세요? What do you do for a living? Repeat after me. 무슨 일 하세요? 무슨 일 하세요? Now you mean that you are an American, for example. Then you can just say that 저는 미국 사람이에요. Repeat after me. 저는 미국 사람이에요. 저는 미국 사람이에요. You can also say instead of 미국 사람, 미국인. 저는 미국인이에요. Repeat after me. 저는 미국인이에요. 저는 미국인이에요. 사람 is a pure Korean word and in comes from a Chinese character. The two words mean the same thing, person. As in this case, among the Korean words, there are some that come from Chinese characters. We'll see this as we go along. The corresponding Korean question is 어느 나라 사람이에요? Where are you from? Repeat after me. 어느 나라 사람이에요? 어느 나라 사람이에요? Here is a little exercise for you. Fill in the blanks with your personal information. 제 이름은 이에요 or 예요. 제 직업은 이에요 or 예요. 저는 사람이에요. That's it for today. We have seen today the 3 basic sentences to introduce yourselves. Hope this video was helpful for you. I'll be back with lots of other interesting videos. Thank you for watching and good work everyone. See you next time. 다음에 또 만나요. 안녕.